In the world of global law enforcement, the battle against drug trafficking remains an unceasing struggle. Amid this ongoing fight, the European continent has become a battleground of massive cocaine seizures, revealing the persistent efforts of criminal organizations to flood the market with their illicit product. Reports of record-breaking cocaine hauls have become commonplace, with each seizure underscoring the multifaceted challenges that law enforcement agencies face in their attempts to curb the flow of narcotics. In recent weeks, headlines have been dominated by the staggering size of cocaine. Confiscations across Europe. In the bustling port of Rotterdam, Dutch authorities uncovered an astonishing 8 tons of cocaine concealed within shipping containers transporting seemingly innocuous cargo, bananas from Ecuador. This discovery marked the largest cocaine seizure to date, serving as a stark reminder of the sheer audacity of drug traffickers and the complexity of the networks they operate within. Across the Irish Sea, similar stories have emerged, painting a picture of an unrelenting battle against the tide of narcotics. In the tranquil coastal town of Ringaskiddy in County Cork, Ireland, law enforcement seized 60 kilograms of cocaine from a freight container on August 5th. This seizure was just the latest in a series of operations targeting the infiltration of drugs into the country. Last April, a staggering 54 kilograms of cocaine were found hidden within the refrigeration unit of a container originating from Ecuador. These instances are indicative of a persistent problem that plagues the region and highlights the ingenuity of traffickers in attempting to evade detection. While these seizures offer a glimpse into the enormity of the drug trafficking problem, they also raise fundamental questions about the nature of the illicit trade itself. Assistant Commissioner Justin Kelly, the head of organized and serious crime within the Irish police force, emphasizes that despite the significant efforts to stem the tide, there's no shortage of cocaine available. This glut of supply is met by an alarming, insatiable appetite for cocaine, not only in Ireland but this also across the globe. The magnitude of this demand further underscores the formidable challenge faced by law enforcement in their pursuit of disrupting the drug trade. The source of much of this cocaine, as Assistant Commissioner Kelly highlights, is Colombia. This South American nation is responsible for around 60% of the global cocaine supply. Within its borders, vast stockpiles of the illicit substance exist at various levels, a testament to the intricate networks and significant production capabilities of criminal organizations. Colombia's approach to drug policies is undergoing significant changes as the new government shifts away from the various previous security-driven approach. This evolving stance includes a shift towards voluntary measures and even the potential legalization of drugs, a move that has far-reaching implications for the global trade. The European Monitoring Center for Drugs and Drug Addiction, the EMCDDA, had been closely monitoring the unprecedented levels of cocaine production and seizures in recent years. This ongoing trend reveals the intricate dynamics at play within the drug trade, where each year sees new records shattered and previously unimaginable quantities of narcotics seized. This phenomenon is not unique to one country or one region. It is a global issue that requires a coordinated and multi-pronged approach to effectively address. Within the context of this ever-evolving landscape, Ireland's law enforcement agencies have been working tirelessly to confront the challenges posed by drug trafficking. Revenue officers and the Irish police force have seized approximately 460 kilograms of cocaine so far in the current year. Additionally, Ireland's involvement in operations led by the EU Maritime Analysis and Operations Centre, the MAOC, has contributed to the seizure of an astounding 4.9 tons of cocaine in 2023 alone. The volume of these seizures serves as a stark reminder of the relentless efforts exerted by traffickers and the vigilance required to counter their activities. The methods employed by drug traffickers are as diverse as the regions they operate within. The majority of cocaine is infiltrating countries through maritime containers, using the cover of legitimate cargo to mask its presence. This technique is augmented by the use of vessels that drop off their illicit loads along the coastlines of destination countries. Other methods include the use of semi-submersibles, private airplanes, and even commercial flights. These sophisticated tactics highlight the evolving nature of the drug trade and the need for law enforcement to remain adaptable. Assistant Commissioner Kelly identifies a growing trend involving private aircraft, which play a pivotal role in transporting cocaine. These aircraft are utilized to move consignments from West Africa to Europe, with Spain and France serving as key destinations. This intricate chain of logistics is a testament to the resourcefulness of traffickers and the elaborate networks that facilitate their operations. The ability to swiftly move drugs across vast distances demonstrates the agility of the criminal organizations and their ability to exploit vulnerabilities in global transportation systems. While the scale of these seizures is staggering, they're not isolated incidents. The ongoing nature of this battle means that law enforcement agencies have confronted those numerous challenges, ranging from maritime trafficking routes to border control issues. The ramifications of these efforts are not confined in one country. Rather, they ripple across the interconnected global network that is the drug trade. The involvement of different nations, agencies, and entities underscores the importance of international cooperation in tackling this pervasive issue. In the midst of these operations, Assistant Commissioner Kelly provides valuable insights into the broader landscape of organized crime. He notes the shifting dynamics within criminal networks, highlighting that the once dominant Kinahan cartel has been substantially degraded through collaborative efforts between Irish, British, Spanish, and U.S. authorities. The international pursuit of cartel leaders, coupled with 15 million euros bounty placed on them by the American agencies, has resulted in a seismic change in cooperation between the countries. Assistant Commissioner Kelly's observations highlight the complexity of the fight against organized crime, the interconnectedness of criminal networks, the challenges of extradition, and the need for harmonized efforts all underscore the need for a holistic approach. As Ireland, along with its international partners, continues to grapple with the drug trade and its associated criminal activities, it remains evident that the battle is far from over. The issue extends beyond mere law enforcement. It delves into the heart of societal values, global relationships, and the ever-shifting sands of geopolitical. Ultimately, the story of cocaine seizures across Europe is multifaceted, that touches upon issues far beyond the immediate headlines. It speaks to the enduring challenge of criminal networks, the unwavering dedication of law enforcement, and the broader sociopolitical context in which the struggle unfolds. As long as the flow of illicit substances continues, the battle will persist, a constant dance between those who seek to profit and those who are determined to protect. And amid this intricate interplay, the story of cocaine seizures continues to unfold, offering a window into a world where law enforcement and disorder collide in an ongoing struggle for dominance.